So beautiful. God's glory. So lucky, so blessed to be here. I was driving down this road and what do I see? All this beauty. Look at the drops. So perfect, so beautiful. It's like a magazine cover. I can't believe I'm witnessing this much awesomeness just near Christmas. Christmas is here and I was driving down this road and Florida, the beautiful, amazes me every time. Whatever troubles you have, all that vanishes when you are in the presence of God's beautiful nature, the glory of it. Look at it. They are sparkling like diamonds. Who needs diamonds? Look at this. Oh my God.